Do you think the world you see is completely real? You must listen carefully to the end of this video. It may very well change your destiny. In the late 19th century, grand edifice of physics seemed about to be perfected. Newton's mechanics governed all known phenomena, working in concert with electromagnetism and thermodynamics, constructing a magnificent and splendid palace of physics. People began to cheer and celebrate, thinking the secrets of the world had been uncovered. From then on, the theories could explain the world as understood by humans. Science was rigorous, black or white, and Einstein was a typical representative figure. As a mechanical determinist, he believed true randomness was impossible in the world. Lotteries, weather, even a girlfriend's mood, all seemingly random things were only because your knowledge was insufficient to calculate the results. But quantum mechanics believes everything can simultaneously exist in different states. Various possibilities coexist, and the result of a thing will appear when you observe it. As for which result you will see, it is completely random. Probability depends on which state component predominates in the superposition. Einstein felt this violated the basic laws of physics, so he famously said, "God does not play dice." However, the trend will not stop just because you don't believe it, even if you are Einstein. Nowadays, quantum mechanics has greatly developed. Many thought-defying experiments have been proposed and successfully verified. Even Schrödinger's cat, originally proposed to prove quantum physics' absurdity, has become a must-tell story for popularizing it. Now we can say without hesitation that Einstein lost this round. God does indeed play dice. Quantum mechanics is so powerful that even Einstein could not produce a perfect answer. Now, do you still think the world is the way you think it is? I can tell you very clearly that if you understand quantum physics a little, you'll be one step ahead of 90% of your peers with the ability to see the future clearly. The emergence of quantum physics has impacted beyond just physics, gradually becoming a new scientific worldview and way of thinking. What is our world really like? What are black holes? What are the principles of time travel? Quantum technologies are appearing more frequently in daily life, but were proposed over 100 years ago. However, scientists still lack a unified conclusion. But nowadays, every country secretly researches quantum mechanics. Once there is a major breakthrough, quantum technology will ignite a technological revolution and reshape the world. It's no exaggeration that whoever masters quantum tech will master humanity's future. When it comes to quantum, we must talk about quantum entanglement. Simply put, if two particle states are correlated at preparation, they are forever correlated, regardless of time or distance apart. If we make this pair of quantum particles into shoes, picking one up gives a 50% chance it's the left and 50% the right. But once this shoe is found left, the other must be right, and vice versa. Whether it's left or right has no definite conclusion. Einstein's spooky action at a distance. It feels difficult to understand because the quantum world itself is abnormal. But it's precisely this characteristic that gives quantum physics infinite possibilities. It iterates your cognition, worldview, your mindset constantly subverted, inspired in the process. It changed physics' basic thinking, people's intuition, and traditional cognition. If someone now tells me there is something absolutely correct, whether love or truth, I'll rethink it. Is there really anything definite in this world? Does 1 + 1 always equal 2? Can he and I really love forever? It tells us nothing is definite or absolute, and nothing definitely wrong. Quantum physics development history is of the entire physics edifice's collapse and rebuilding. We've seen laws once regarded as truth collapse under experiments, and new theories validated despite being counterintuitive. In Shattering concepts, nothing compares to quantum mechanics. As the great Feynman said, no one understands quantum mechanics. If you think you understand it, you don't really understand it. After this quantum physics baptism, you'll find this world far more complex and wonderful than imagined.